Hi everyone, my name is Derek and welcome to GamerBody. In this video, I am doing an unboxing of the WODFitters WF Titanium Resistance Bands that I purchased on Amazon on November 16th, 2019. I purchased these bands as a supplement to my current workout program and to also put them against the UPowX bands to see which ones I think are better for you in your home training. A big draw to buying these is that they have no additional attachments needed. You can simply throw them in a drawstring bag and take them wherever you need to go. There's no additional attachments of any kind, so they're very easy to just take on your trips and get your workouts done, or at least a little pump done when you're traveling around. So now that I have these, let's take a look and do an unboxing of the resistance bands themselves to see what we get right out of the box. So when opening the resistance bands, they come already done for you, so you don't have to, again, attach anything. There's no assembly required. They're simply just resistance loop bands that come in 5 different colors. Now I'm going to quickly rattle off the different resistances and colors of each one so that you can know how much resistance is in each one and the thickness of each band. So the first band is a red resistance band that comes in at ½ an inch and ranges from 10 to 35 pounds. The next band is black and is 3/4 of an inch thick and goes from 30 to 60 pounds. The third resistance band is the purple band and is 1.25 inches and ranges from 40 to 80 pounds of resistance. The fourth resistance band is green and it is 1.75 inches thick and ranges from 50 to 125 pounds of resistance. And the last band is the blue band, coming in at 2.5 inches thick and ranges from 65 to 175 pounds. So the resistance can change based on things like feet placement, how far away you are from the wall. Those will all change the resistance of the band, and that's why they give a range as something like 65 to 175 pounds. But the thickness is what really matters here, so that you can pick the right one for the exercise that you are doing. You will also receive a drawstring bag. Now, right off the bat, I actually really like this drawstring bag as it fit everything very comfortably. I didn't feel like with the UPowX bands, it kind of felt like everything was jam-packed in there, where this drawstring bag is actually big enough to hold all of the bands themselves. And that is it on all of the pieces for the WODFitters band. Again, this is not a hard unboxing and putting together. You are simply just taking it out of the box. All the bands are just in bags you have to undo, and they're all good to go. There are little rubber bands you can put over the resistance bands themselves when you're done to keep them nice and tidy, but that's about it. You really don't need anything else for these bands. Now again, I did order this product on November 16th, 2019, so I will be doing a full-on review of the WODFitters resistance bands after about a month of use and comparing them against the UPowX bands, which are my primary that I'm using right now. As of shooting this video, the WODFitters bands have a total of 55 ratings and a 4.5 out of 5 stars on the Amazon buy page, and I'll put a quick screenshot here so you can see it, and they're currently $69.95. Now I did buy them on a sale, so I got them for an additional $20-ish off, and they came in at $49.99, so I got pretty lucky there as it was a little flash sale that happened. But just note that as of shooting this video, they are around the $70 mark. And that is it. So I just went over all the unboxing that you'll get for the WODFitters bands. Again, I will be making a full review later on to go over what I think of the bands themselves after using them for a little bit of time. If you did like this unboxing, please like and subscribe to this channel for more unboxing videos just like this one. Also, please head over to GamerBody.com. There you can opt into my email newsletter to get training cheat codes to build more muscle, get lean, and be confident, all from the comfort of home. I've also listed all the resources I currently own if you'd like to check out all the pieces of equipment I currently use in my training today, which will be updated from time to time as things take over. So if these WODFitters bands are better than the UPowX bands, you would see them swapped out on my website. Alright, and again, that is it. So again, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be fit and game on.